Well, guys, I ordered a new product off of Amazon that I paid with my own money. It's a range-mate grill pan. You use it in the microwave and it's supposed to grill your food, make it crispy, put grill marks on it. And I wanted to try it out, so let's get to it. First off, this is what you get. This is like ceramic on the inside. You heat it up, put your food in there, and it makes it crispy. I'm gonna try that out, but I'm gonna show you what it came with. It did come with a manual. This is the manual that it came with, but the manual is Korean. So I'll be experimenting with all this stuff and see what I can make. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, this range mate fits perfectly in the microwave, and I'm gonna try out my first thing. And the first thing I'm gonna cook skinless, boneless chicken thighs. So I'm gonna heat this up for 3 minutes, and then I'll come back. There goes the range mate. It's heating up. I'm keeping the cover off so it'll get hot. And I'm gonna get the chicken, season it with some stuff, and then I'll put it in and see what happens. Be right back. Okay, it's almost done heating up for the 3 minutes. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna season the chicken a little bit and put it in, and I'm gonna show you what it does. So hold on. Okay, there it is. It looks hot. It's steaming in there, but the handles are not hot, so that's a good thing. Hold on, let me get the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put the piece of chicken on there. Oh, listen to that sizzle. So it seems like it's working so far. I'm gonna put some Old Bay on here, and I'm gonna put it in. Oh, there's a little bit too much. Let's mix it around. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it in for 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna switch it out and turn it over. There's the lid. Let's try it. Alright, it's in there for 4 minutes. And let's see what happens when we pull it out. Okay, almost been cooking for 4 minutes. I'm gonna start and pull it out, and I'm gonna turn it over and do another 4 minutes. Oh, you hear it sizzling in there? Let's see. Oh, the side, it's a little warm on the side, but not too hot. Look at it steaming in there. Ah, the chicken looks good. Let me flip it over. Give it another 4 minutes. Then we'll see if it's done. It's got some grill marks there. You see that? Yeah, that looks good. So let me put the top back on and put it back in. Alright, here we go. Another 4 minutes, then it should be done. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's almost done. We got like 5 more seconds, and you can see there are 3 little holes right there on the edge. That's so the steam comes out. So let's look inside, see how it did. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Let me put it on a plate and I can check the temperature. Alright, how's that looking? It sounds good, it looks good. I'll put it on the plate. And there we go. Nicely browned chicken. Only took, what, 11 minutes to cook. This is a good thing. This pan is good if you live in a dorm or you have van life or you just want to do things quicker. Alright, let's check. Let's see if you can see that. Let me try to zoom in. Okay, I'm gonna check the temperature. Let me see if you can see that. And it is getting up to 165. I don't know if you can tell, but that's what it says. And let me cut the chicken open so you can see what it looks like inside. All right, that's what the chicken looks like inside. It looks like it's cooked and looks real good. I'm gonna have a bite. Thank you for watching.